Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Domi. For those who don't know, this channel is all about tech tips, IT tricks, tutorials, reviews, and whatnot. Everything you need to know about IT or tech in general. So, in this video, I'll be showing you how to make a complete and clean Windows installation. My previous video, I showed you how to create a Windows bootable from using RUFUS as the application and also with the Windows official media creation tool. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make the actual Windows installation onto your PC. So let's get started. First things first, you need to know the configuration of your system, whether you want a legacy BIOS setup or a UEFI BIOS setup. I explained that in my last video. First things first, you need your bootable USB drive, all right, and your PC, of course. So you will insert your USB into your PC. So now, after connecting your USB drive, you turn on your PC. Now, the moment you turn on your PC, make sure you press continuously the F12 key. Now, it depends on the system type. Most systems use F12, but you can try F10 and F8. You keep on pressing F10 and F8 continuously until you view the boot menu. Okay, now I'm going to show you how it's done. Now, this is my device boot menu. As you can see, I have a legacy crucial, that is the internal hard disk, and then UEFI for UEFI systems. Now, the USB I inserted is the legacy Kingston Data Traveler 3.0. Alright, so you choose which version you want. Now, because my system uses UEFI BIOS setup, I'll choose the UEFI Saturn for the USB and press enter. Now it will boot from the USB installation that we made. It's going to take some time. Okay, so we have it here. Here we are asking for language, so English, time and currency English, keyboard format. I'll use United States International. Okay. You click on next. Now you select install now. Now at this point, if you have a Windows product key, you can insert it. If you don't have, you click on I don't have a product key. Now I already have a product key, so I'll go ahead and enter them. So after entering, or if you don't have and you chose I don't have a product key, you click on next. Now in this section, you select I accept the terms and condition, all this. If you have time, you can go through, but you definitely accept it if you want to install. So just click on I accept and then next. Now we want to do a clean Windows installation. So we click on this one, customized Windows install Windows only. All right. If you want an upgrade, you click on this. But this option, upgrade, will send you back if you already have the Windows installed, so that you do the upgrade from there. But if you don't have and you want a clean Windows installation, you click on this. Now, this part, if you already have Windows installed on your hard disk and you want to do a new Windows installation, you choose the partition of your old Windows. All right. But there's a catch. If you want to still have your files, you can write over it. You can install over it by clicking next. It will ask you for this. Okay. It will create a windows.old folder so that you can have access to your previous files. But because we want to do a clean installation with no previous files, all right, I'll go ahead and delete every partition and it will be as clean as it was before. All right, so you can go ahead and create a new partition, or you just click on next for the installation process to begin. It's going to take a while depending on how fast your system is and the copy speed of your USB drive. So be patient and take your time for it to install. Now, in this part, there can be some issues when installing. All right. When an issue appears, like an error, it can mean two things. One, the ISO file you used for the bootable is corrupted. Okay, the ISO file is corrupted, or the USB drive is corrupted. So when doing this installation, make sure you copy the original genuine Windows installation ISO. You can download it from the Microsoft website and then use a correct USB drive so that the installation process can be smooth. So now at this point, you wait for all the installation processes to finish and then the PC will restart. So as it is about to restart, you can either remove the pen drive or USB drive that you inserted or leave it in. It doesn't matter. Now it's restarting. So it will boot directly from the just installed hard drive. It's going to take some time to get some services ready, installing basic drivers, that kind of thing. All right, as you can see, starting services. So you have to be patient at this stage. No option to turn off the system, else your PC may crash. Be patient as it installs. It will restart a few times. So at this moment, there can be questions that you'll be asked, privacy questions. So if you watched my previous video, you can see that I skipped those questions when I was making the bootable using RUFUS. But they are all basic questions like advertisement, privacy options, basic things. So, country, United Kingdom. Yes, you choose the country you are from or where you are installing it. Keyboard layout, I'll use United States International because of the at and the apostrophe sign. For United Kingdom, they usually switch it. So United States, the at sign is usually on top of the two. Now at this point, I'll skip. You can skip second layout. Now at this point, if you have internet connection, you can connect. So for the meantime, I'll choose I don't have internet. Okay. And you choose connect, continue with limited setup. This part is for the PC name. So you can choose any name that you want. I'll be using Domscope. That's the name of my system. Now here, if you want to add a password, you can add. I'll suggest you add a password. All right. But for this tutorial, I will not be adding a password. If you are to add a password, you'll be asked 3 questions if you select to add a password. And those questions will help you recover if your password is missing or you forgot about it. So I'll leave it blank and choose next. So as you can see, I skipped most of the privacy questions. So if you want to be able to skip those privacy questions, watch my video on how I used RUFUS to skip those privacy questions. And at this point, as you can read, don't turn off your PC. There are some installations going on that are critical for your system. All right, so there we have it. Our Windows is finally installed. We have everything ready. That will be it for this video. So if you have any questions or misunderstandings with the process I just showed you, you can leave it in the comment section and I'll do my best to reply you and respond to your problems. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you next time.